back to day 2 of my Disneyland Paris vlog. So today is the final day I'm here at the Disneyland Park. So good to catch up on stuff like things that we got on to yesterday. So today we're going to try and check out Pirates of the Caribbean. I want to try and go on RC Racer over to Studios Park. What wasn't open yesterday was Happiest. So that's going to open today, so hope we can get on that. Just walking down the main street and heard the announcement about there's a show coming on in about 10 minutes, so we're going to watch the show first, check out the pin badges in Frontierland, and then make our way over to Happiest Mountain. Got a very nice way to finish today, so we've got a reservation for Bistro Chez Remy.
Chers amis, quel plaisir de vous accueillir aujourd'hui au cœur du parc Disneyland pour célébrer 30 ans de magie. Mickey et Minnie et tous leurs amis vous donnent rendez-vous.
Join me back after going to there's like a special store just full of pin badges, so I got my Hollywood Tower of Terror pin badge. It's going to go right at my Myrtle lanyard. Very wet and very windy here today. Weather went nice and then it's come back to this. Going to make our way over to Hyperspace Mountain, give my very first ride on Hyperspace Mountain. Maybe with a detour to do Indiana Jones, so I'll catch up after Space Mountain, let you know what I think. just ridden Hyperspace Mountain. It was a good ride. I kind of see what the hype is about, kind of don't. The launch is good. We did get onto I did get on Indiana Jones again, which is really, really rough. I'm not a big fan of Indiana Jones. Also got on to Pirates of the Caribbean, which I'm a big fan of pirates. Love that ride. And then yeah, finished the Hyperspace Mountain. It was a really good ride. It's one I've been hyped on to get for a long time. I don't think it's top 10 for me, but I get the whole package and everything about it. Make our way over to the Studios Park, so we're going to relook at RC Racer, which I missed yesterday, and try and get on that last shaft of Tower of Terror, which I didn't get onto yesterday. And then work our way over to the Ratatouille ride and restaurants, because we have a reservation. So catch you after Tower of Terror. Join me back after another ride on Tower of Terror. I think that's the best thing here. That's hands down amazing. It's my favourite thing. The airtime on it's unparalleled. Now waiting for Bistro Chez Remy. So we've got a food reservation here. So very excited to eat in the Ratatouille themed restaurant. So catch up with you after. And that's everything for the video here at Disneyland Paris. Just finished day 2, we're about to head back to the UK. We did manage to get on Ratatouille, which is I think potentially my favourite dark ride. The food as well, once more, Bistro Chez Remy, the food was amazing. Definitely go check that out on your stay. RC Racer, a great little coaster, it really took me by surprise. The launch is quite punchy, and like the airtime is quite substantial. Yeah, it's been. I do strongly recommend, if you've not been to a Disney park or you've only done the US ones, I recommend coming. I drove here and I'm staying in David Crockett, so I managed to save a bunch of money doing that. It's like, it's more affordable than you think, and that's what I recommend you to do. But yeah, this park's incredible. If you do like the video guys, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit subscribe because that does help. And yeah, some more videos down there and subscribe there. Thank you for watching, I'll see you next time.